And welcome back to More Approved. I'm James. I did a video showing how to uninstall and install bathroom faucets. Today, we're going to show you how to install a kitchen faucet. We're going to go ahead and get this installed. Everything's pretty straightforward. We're going to first start by feeding all the tubes down through the opening. Then we're going to go below, feed the center line through this hole, put the rest of the tubes through here, thread down this bolt with this included wrench, hook up the water lines, and we're good to go. As you can see, we have the threaded section going through that center hole and the rest of the tubes coming through the front. Thread the nut up. We can start by getting it hand tight. Then we'll take the included wrench, feed it through this line. Take a screwdriver, tighten these down, just to give a little bit more pressure to the base. Everything looks firm and secure. Let's get to the next step. We're going to take this piece. There's a compression fitting in here. We're going to install our weight. This is just another compression fitting. Hook up our wires. All that's left is to hook up our water lines and we'll be good to go. Apply a little Teflon tape. That wraps up this episode of More Approved, everyone. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. If you need some more information or you need a more abridged view of how to uninstall and then reinstall a faucet, I have another video. I'll put the links down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Till next time, see you then.